Hello everyone. Today we shall look into non-visual function. Non-visual function has one parameter which is expression. Okay, it marks a value filter in summarize columns expression as non-visual. This function can only be used within a summarize columns expression. Marks a value filter in summarize columns as not affecting measure values, but only applying to group by columns. We shall understand how it works in summarize columns function. It is used as either a filter table argument of the summarize columns function or a group level filter argument of the roll up add is subtotal or roll up is subtotal functions. Let us see an example how non-visual function works. I have created a function which is total sales. It is sum of sales. Okay, and I'll create another measure where I could explain you an example with the help of all selected. In the sales data, I have Apple and like different brands, and I am choosing these two brands and I am writing sales with respect to all selected function. Hence I am naming the measure as Apple and LG sales. What I'll write is I'll write calculate. In the expression I'll use total sales. Okay, and in the filter argument I'll use all selected function, and I have a brand column which is sales brand column to use. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. You would be able to understand why I'm writing this in very shortly. Okay, and here you could see that I have brand and total sales measure which is representing the filter, and our total is 127 million. Let us move to the data view. Here I'll create a new table. Okay, and I will name the table as summarized table. I'll write summarized table. Our summarize columns function. Here the first parameter is group by column name 1. I'll group by sales brand. I'll put a comma. In the group by column name 2, I'll use treat as function. I'll open the parenthesis. In expression, I'll write Apple, comma LG. These are the two brands which I want to write in this treat as function in order to group by, and I'll close the curly brackets which is open. I'll put a comma. In the column name 1 of treat as function, I'll write the sales brand. Okay, I'll write sales brand. I'll close the parenthesis. I'll put a comma. Here you could see that in the first parameter group by column name I have used sales brand. In the second parameter I have used treat as function. Okay, I have inserted Apple and LG in curly braces in order to provide the group by, and I have given the sales brand column. In the third parameter I'll provide the column name which is sales amount. Okay, I'll put a comma. Here in the expression I'll use the total sales measure which I have made. In the name 2 I'll write sales all selected. In the expression 2 I'll write Apple and LG sales measure which I have written. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis, click over here. Here you could see the output. The sales amount of Apple is 32 million, for LG it is 31 million. The total sales of these two brands, Apple and LG, it is around 63 million. We could see that for the total brand sales it is 127 million. Since we have used the all selected and we are modifying the filter, you could see that total is represented with 63 million, and suppose that we want the total sales which is 127 million ignoring this filter which is existing. What I could do is I could enclose this second parameter, okay, which is group by. I could enclose this in non-visual function. I'll write non-visual. I'll close the parenthesis after this. Okay, and just click over here. Once I enclose that treat as function within the non-visual, here you could see that the total is now reflected, which is 127 million, by ignoring the other filters which are acting on the brand. And by the definition, you could understand that it marks a value filter in the summarize columns expression as non-visual. Okay, I hope this example is understandable. Please explore, please practice. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.